I just built this stunning African supermodel in 60 seconds, and she is ready to sell my affiliate products and do much more on my Instagram, as well as actually run my business. I want to show you how I did it. Okay, AI influencers are actually exploding, but here's the problem: most tutorials, or maybe they are mostly tutorials, and also face change every image, and there is no consistency in terms of actually the face, and there's no brand consistency in the brand and also in the money. Now I have a tool that actually fixes this, and one that is reasonable, and it's gonna blow your mind. It's gonna do all the hard work so that you can actually start using your AI influencer to actually make your business, grow your business, create content and sell your products. Okay, now let's first go to the tool. I'm on my dashboard here. As you can see, once I log in, you sign up and then you log in. We're gonna go to character. Okay, and then we're gonna click create characters. Once we are there, you can choose to do this, create with the text or maybe with a photo reference if you have. I'm gonna create using text, and I'm gonna name her Nana. Okay, Nana. Let me say Nana Beauty. Okay, Nana Beauty. She's a female. I want her to be 25 years old. I want her to be curvy, a little bit curvy, and I want her to be glamour. I want her to be black ethnicity, and I'm gonna add here more features. I'm gonna use this prompt. Okay, she's turning 25-year-old African supermodel, super dark ebony skin, deepest red in black, high cheekbones, full lips, almond shaped eyes with long lashes, and blah blah blah. Okay, if you want to leave the link of this, I'll leave this prompt in the description, as well as the tool that I'm using. And then I'm gonna say create the character. Then within a few minutes, as you can see, it's gonna start generating. Okay, our character gonna be like within a minute, it's gonna start actually being generated. So let's wait and see. And there we have, boom, we have our Nana Beauty here. As you can see, let me zoom in, zoom out, or zoom in, so that you guys can see how super beautiful she is, supermodel. Now here is the magic. We can actually use some prompts. I'll leave the prompt that I'm using so that you can try also. You can see how beautiful like she's just stunning, you guys, and I love it. I really love it. So we can generate her in different form of actually in different forms using different prompts. So let's start. I'm gonna put here my prompt. The first prompt I'm using, the same Nana supermodel holding iPhone selfie, luxury bathroom marble background, wearing gold hoop earrings, fresh makeup, soft lighting, Instagram story style. And then we're gonna do what we're gonna actually take the dimension that we want. I'm gonna be using this one for today, and then one character, and then I'm gonna actually click generate, and as you can see, it is being generated just like that. As you can see, she's here, her face, everything is cool, super beautiful, taking a selfie, and everything is intact. As you can see, guys, this is just super amazing. Okay, and then let's also generate another photo, maybe something. This was a lifestyle, maybe let's do something lifestyle. That, and just like that, you can see her features. She still keeps her features, her face, and everything is intact, and she looks super beautiful, just like we wanted. And it is amazing, guys. Tell me in the comment section if you think so. I'm gonna download. Let's say we want maybe an outfit change. We're gonna put another prompt, same Nana. She's Nana. I'm saying Nana. I'm writing Nana. Same Nana. Okay, and then we're gonna generate again. She's here, as you can see, super beautiful, super amazing. She's beautiful. She has changed the outfit. Okay, super beautiful. Now we can also make, let's actually generate another image whereby she's holding maybe something, a skincare product, a bottle. Okay, we're gonna actually add here. You can choose any product you want. I'm gonna just say skincare bottle, like the prompt I'm using. Same Nana, supermodel holding skincare bottle, bedroom vanity, background, morning routine lighting, natural beauty influencer. Then we can generate. There we have, guys. She's here. She's holding a bottle, maybe actually a beauty bottle. She keeps her features very super amazing, and you can see even she's reflected here. Just amazing. Now this is where the magic comes. I want you to see, if we want, we can make her talk actually. Okay, let me download this one first. We can make her talk, and then once we click make her talk, we put what you want her to say. Let's say we want her to say something like, hey queens, and then you can actually even add here the affiliate product that you are using. Maybe let's say this serum. Okay, serum, this serum, let me remove this one. This serum changed my skin game. Dark girl approved, link in bio. We choose the voice that we want. Okay, I'm gonna choose the voice that I want here. Let's say I look for maybe something like social media girl, lively girl, or maybe let's use this one, and then we can preview.
Hey queens, this serum changed my skin game. Dark girl approved, link in bio.
Okay, we generate the audio. You can also even clone your audio or upload your own audio, and then we're gonna generate the video here. Click generate, and just like that, we give it 4 minutes, and then it's gonna actually start generating for us while she's speaking. Tell me in the comment section if you're loving this content, you want to see more. And like I said, the link for this tool that I'm using right now, it is in my description, and a special code for actually 50% for your first month, so that you can keep creating and actually improving your business while actually you are earning commissions by the product that this supermodel is selling. Okay, now while this is being generated, I wanted to note, how do you monetize this kind of actually AI influencers? Number one, you can sell to brands. You can actually go to brands, and then you can actually pick them and say something like, if they need, or maybe if you need model, you can actually per post you can charge maybe $50, and you can actually be creating for small brands. Or number two, you can do your own Faceless account. You actually include your affiliate links and start promoting products. You can build a channel using this AI influencer. And number three, you can actually you can be a client service, like you coach people how to make this one. Even if you want me to coach you, I can do that in a package. You list the price. We have a lot of potentials here that we can do. There we have, guys. As you can see, the video has been generated. Let's listen to it and tell me, what do you think?
Hey queens, this serum changed my skin game. Dark girl approved, link in bio. Hey queens, this serum changed my skin game. Dark girl approved, link in bio.
Super beautiful. Take care, guys. I'll see you next in my next videos. I'll see you. Bye bye.